All right, thank you, Andy. We are now going to move into our second research session. So I would ask the presenting authors, the community bank discussant, and the academic moderator for session 2 to please come to the front of the room. Looks like we're a little bit ahead of schedule, so we'll start now, and that means you get a longer break in a little bit. So,
or we'll go over,
or they'll take that time back. As they are getting set up, just a couple of reminders. First off, during the Q&A, since we do have a web stream, live stream audience, when you ask a question, just please be sure to turn on your microphone. I know in some cases we can hear you here in the room, but we want to make sure that that everybody participating either here in person or virtually is able to do that. So again, there's that gray button right in front. If you tap it, it'll turn green. It's very sensitive. Everyone will be able to hear you then. A few other things too, and our one of our poster presenters mentioned this, Samuel Rosen from Temple. I know he's not here, but mentioned that in addition to having his poster out there, both of our poster session presenters did a more comprehensive presentation, around 10 minutes. That's on communitybanking.org. So if you'd like to hear from them a little more specifically on their work and on their findings, please be sure to check that out. So here we go, and Director Felton just mentioned this session in his remarks, titled "Failed Banks." So this should certainly be very interesting. Delighted to introduce our academic moderator, Christopher James. He is the William H. Dial SunTrust Eminent Scholar Chair at the University of Florida. And I will also note that our community bank discussant is Jim Edwards, CEO of United Bank in Griffin, Georgia. I know Chris will be introducing our presenting authors today, and at this point, Chris, I will turn it over to you.
You have the clicker?
Certainly do.
Thanks. Well, it's my pleasure to be here and to moderate this session. Just by way of background, I think that the session is an important one because it's dealing with an issue that academics, and I know you all have been thinking about for academics for over 40 years, which is what are the real effects of bank failures and stricter bank supervision? And by real effects, I mean not only how it affects the customers of the bank that's failed or more strictly supervised, but also other customers of solvent banks within the local area. So all of these papers address this topic from a slightly different angle. So the first paper is going to be presented by Stephen Luck, who's become an expert in bank failures over the last several years. So take it away.